Hey there, Oddies and Eatettes. Today on Odds and Eats, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some smoked peach chipotle chicken thighs. Can't wait, this is gonna be a good recipe. Let's go. Okay, so here's all the ingredients that we are going to need to get started on these lovely wings. I am making fries as well, so that's why I got those potatoes there. But we've got our chicken thighs, and then this is gonna be everything to make the sauce. So we've got orange juice, apple cider vinegar, white cooking wine, soy sauce, peach reserves, honey, some of my amazing Chef Nellie Anytime seasoning. Be sure to check that out, order that. Only $8, so get on it. And then we've also got some chipotles and adobo, brown sugar, and I'm gonna add some peaches in here at some point, and some butter, and then like I said, we're gonna make some French fries to go along. So first what we're gonna do, we got our beautiful, all right, we've got our beautiful chicken thighs. We're just gonna rinse these off. Gotta clean that meat. I don't care what anybody tells you. Clean your meat. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna set them aside in this bowl, and I'm gonna sanitize my area after I'm done. So we got our nice clean chicken thighs right here. Got my awesome Anytime seasoning right here. We're just gonna season the thighs up just with this because it's got everything you need. So got these, just gonna get them all nice and rubbed up. So yeah, I don't want to over season them too much. Okay, so we got our Traeger here, and we're just gonna kick this bad boy up to 350. Whoops, 350. All right, we're gonna toss these beauties on here. All right, so we're gonna start out putting 2 cups of our peach reserves into a blender. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing that. Okay, then you're just gonna add about a tablespoon of light brown sugar or dark brown sugar, doesn't matter, just brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon. Then we're just gonna add just a couple of chipotles, not too many. I don't want it too hot. And then we're gonna also add about a couple tablespoons of the adobo sauce that's in here into the blender. Okay, so just go ahead and add your chilies. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the sauce in here, not a lot. Oops, can I get it? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our honey, about 1 tablespoon of that. You know, I don't really measure much, but you don't want it too sweet. We're just trying to balance out the heat. So a little bit of honey. Booyah. Then we've got some Heinz apple cider vinegar. We're gonna just add a little dash of that as well, not a lot. This is a big bottle, oh my God. All right, that's good enough. We don't need that much, it's pretty strong. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our white cooking wine. Once again, probably about 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, boom. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add just a few dashes of soy sauce. And then we'll say about 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. Boom. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. Look at that. And now we are going to cook this off as well. We're gonna put it on the stove top and heat it up and add some butter to it and see if we need to add any salt, any pepper, anything like that. But that looks great. We got our mix. Now we're gonna go ahead and add it to our saucepan. We are gonna bring this to a boil and let it simmer. And then we're gonna add some butter in here. Okay, now it's boiling. I'm gonna add the rest of this peach reserve in here and some butter. You can never go wrong with butter. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this, then bring it down to a simmer. I just basted the chicken in orange juice and white wine and allowed that to cook. After about an hour, the chicken thighs should be cooked. I go ahead and finish them off with the sauce, and I cook them for about another 10 or 15 minutes with the sauce on them. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my fries. No real recipe for this, just thought I'd kind of show you guys what I was doing. I rinse the potatoes once, and then I just dry them off with paper towel and fry them. Ooh, got some fries going. Okay, you guys, our chicken thighs are ready, so let's check them out. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And here are our smoked peach chicken thighs. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you want more, be sure to follow me on all social media outlets to get different recipes.